We found the taxi version of the Mach-E. Probably the only acceptable version of this car to ever be released is as a taxi. But I did have to eat a 9-pack or a 10-pack from Matchbox to get it. So I did put it on the silver card. That way it can still be in here. Now it does come on a standalone card. I haven't found it yet. So I went ahead and bought the 9-pack or 10-pack, whatever it was, just for this one. And then I donated the rest. Just like this one, this was a multi-pack exclusive. This is on a red card. You see the red image right there. This one was a standalone card, so it came on this one. This is a multi-pack, which is also on a red card. And then this one right here was released on card. So we have all of the releases so far from Matchbox. And then of course we have all of them from Hot Wheels, starting with the first release in white, the Zamac. Then you had the red one, which I thought was perfect color choice. Then you got the blue with the Ford Performance, this blue, and then of course this is a almost blacked out color swing, so I definitely like the way that looks. But the Mach-E's are definitely growing, guys. And speaking of that, we stumbled across a fresh bin of death and we found the in-case stuff, and I can't wait, guys, because this stuff was awesome. There was a lot that I left behind, but I did pick up the ones that I had to come home with me. And Eddie over at Simple Customs will disagree and say I don't need it, but you don't know the need when you see the speed. Boo! I know that was cheesy, but anyways, guys, first up, new 2023 casting of the Bugatti Bolide. This thing is awesome, man. Check that out. Love the silhouette of this. It looks a little different for scale. Coming to the back, you have that beautiful X-style taillight with the quad exhaust in the center. This thing is beautiful, and I can already tell you they will release this in a premium. I can already see it. You do have the headlight tampos and the blacked out canopy, but this thing is just gorgeous, man. And this is out of the Hot Wheels Exotic, so keep your eyes out for the new Bugatti Bolide. That thing is awesome. Next one is the Honda Cafe. This is a recolor. This was also new for 2023. It showcases the new wheels for the motorcycle, and I definitely do like that. But yeah, this is the second or maybe third color variation of the Cafe, so we grabbed it. Next up is another recolor. This is the Jaguar I-Pace E-Trophy in white. Beautiful color setup, and you can see it's fitted with the huge Trap 5s in gray. And I gotta say, this looks really good. There is a Zamac version of it. Hopefully I can find one. We don't get Zamacs up here, but our local seller at the Traders Market usually gets his hands on them, and he sells them for $2. So I'm gonna go this weekend. Hopefully I could find it. If not, hey, it's okay. We will find it eventually or trade for it. But this thing is awesome. Love the tampos on this. The first release was in a satin black finish with the blue deco. And this one's just black and white. Very clean, very simple. And then I did grab two of these just in case. Just in case, guys. This thing is just super freaking awesome. Next up, I did grab the 2020 Dodge Charger Hellcat. I really do like the Chargers in real life, but I think they're getting a bad rep, especially with the street car takeover. They're not really looking too hot. But this purple metallic, man, with the gold Y5s, I could not pass up this setup, dude. That is just a beautiful paint job. And then of course you have the black and white stripes with the gold outline. Check that out. Then and Now series of the Hellcat. Beautiful recolor of that. Next up, you can see the 75 Porsche right there on the top of this card. And we got it, guys. New for 2023 as well. It's the Porsche 928S Safari in silver. Check that out. Another awesome casting. You got the number 3 with the Bilstein and the red, orange, and black stripe. You got the 75 in bold right there on the back with Sparko. So there we go. Tampos for the fog lights, none for the headlights. But you do have some tooling for the tail lights in the back. This thing is super cool. Man, awesome stuff. All right, next up, I was waiting for this one to drop because I just love the 62s. Here we go, 62 Corvette in this beautiful charcoal metallic with the silver stripes. Love the theme of this one. You got a cream colored interior, 5 spokes tucked in with a chrome lip. This one was done really well. Really do like this one. So beautiful one right here, number 2 on the door out of the Then and Now series. Next up, another one we were all waiting for, at least I was, the Ford Bronco R. Check it out with the Borla 78 deco in black and red. Of course, you got the gray bead locks coming out the back. You have that really nice off-road tire setup with the bars. This thing is just beefy, man. Look at that. That is an awesome freaking Bronco. This is a Bronco right there. And the one thing I do like about Borla is they use the same graphics and color scheme on a lot of theirs. Just like right here with the Mustangs. You have the black Borla 78, you have the red one, and then you have the red edition, which looks almost identical right here with the J5s in chrome, but then you had the pearl white. A lot of Borla did come out. You had them in the trucks, and now we are seeing it on the Bronco, which I think looks amazing. So keep your eyes out for this one as well. This is all in case, guys. All right, next up, the Lamborghini. Here we go. Beautiful red metallic. The only thing I don't like is they put trap 5s on it. I think those wheels are probably the worst ones you can throw on a Lamborghini. And check out the fitment. I mean, that rear tire is super tucked in. That needs to be flush or just hanging out just like the front right there. But other than that, the casting is amazing. It's the Lamborghini Reventon. That thing is just a gorgeous casting. So I love the aggressive lines of this car. I just don't like the wheels. Next up we got is the new recolor of the 89 Mazda Savannah RX-7 FC3S in black. Check it out. Super clean, very simple, lace wheels all the way around. You got some nice tail light details, license plate, and there we go. Look at that, even the front. You got the ambers and the lenses. Next up, we did finally cave in and pick up the Mighty K. I've seen this before in my last haul, but I just wasn't gonna get it, but of course, you gotta get it when it's got a skateboard in the back, man. Check it out. And also the fact that it is the Ryu Wasada casting. I really do like this one. I have a couple variations of it, but this one, really cool. Mainline version of the Super, which in the last one I did miss out 2 of the Supers literally a few minutes before I got there, so it is what it is. Next up is a recolor of the 88 Honda CRX, and I love this setup, guys. Check it out. Nice satin blue. Got the CRX tampos with the blue, yellow, and white stripe on the bottom. And I gotta say, the PR5s in yellow look really good on this, very bold. And then of course you got the taillight tampos. So they did not lack on this one except for the headlights, but man, that is gorgeous. And the last 3 right here, we grabbed another 62 Corvette. And then last 2 right here, guys, the Fast and Furious releases. You got the Silvia S15 and the iconic hero car, aka Brian Spillner's 95 Mitsubishi Eclipse. This is a really cool casting. There's so many releases and versions of this tooling. Different wheels, different bases, different wings. And this one looks good. I don't think I have this particular one, but we'll go ahead and check. I think I have it in one of my premium cases I just got. Maybe it is in Maybe it's in this one, because I opened up all of my premiums. Nope, it's not in there. Nope, not in there. All right, there we go. 2 variations. Let's just go ahead and move this one around. Oh man, which one to swap? Let's go ahead and put Brian's Skyline right up there, his Eclipse there. Let's see, S2000 can go at the bottom. We'll put Dom's Charger sitting up top. We'll go ahead and open up this one and put it in the 3rd section. There we go. God, that thing is nice. Check it out. You see the difference between the premium and this one. This one has the Sparko and other sponsors on the side. This one doesn't. This one has Sparko. Then of course the hood on this one is pretty good in carbon fiber. This one is very fine-tuned. You see it's more of a weave pattern. And this one is very, very bold in look, actually. So yeah, different variations, guys. There's 3 different types. You can even see that it's a color shade different than these 2. Well, no, Mustang can stay down here. Let's keep that there. Let's kind of keep the S15s together. Keep that. Oh, I need to find a spot for this now. That is what we picked up. Not a big haul at all, so it's very reasonable, but lots of really good recolors for the collection. All of these castings I do already have. These are all just recolors, except for these, man. The Bugatti Bolide, Bronco R, the 62 Corvette, the new Porsche 928. Awesome stuff right there. So that is all we got. We picked up what we liked. We brought home the ones that we could not leave behind. And of course, in exchange, I was able to finally go pick up the taxi of the Mach-E. Now I got those 2 to worry about. I don't even know what to do with them. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a huge thumbs up. Comment down below which one of these was your favorite out of Encase. I'm sure you guys saw a lot in the dump bin as I was going through, and you're probably hoping I picked them up. But here we go. This is what we got. Love it. And that is it. So until next time, this is the Mustang Hunter. Peace.